Hi guys, this is JC Parets at allstarcharts.com. We are looking at gold futures right here. A lot of you guys have been asking me about it, so I figured I'd put together a quick little video to kind of show you guys what I'm looking at. First, we're going to start with a more structural perspective. This is a weekly candlestick chart. Going back, you could see there was key resistance in 2008, again in early 2009, and it wasn't until the end of 2009, early 2010 that we really got off to the races and really broke out. So there's a lot of market memory, not just from a resistance perspective, but also from a psychological perspective. These round numbers, $1,000 really stands out. And during this entire decline, this has really been our target, this 1,000 level. And I'll just go ahead and explain real quick why. You know, the more times that a level is tested, the higher the likelihood that it breaks. This is one of our very important principles that we're constantly preaching. Sure enough, we broke down, and I think that this is where we're headed, about $1,000. Not just is it the psychological support level of 1,000, not only was it resistance back in 08 and 2009, but if you take the 161.8% Fibonacci extension of the biggest counter trend rally along the way, takes us to about 1022. So about 1,000 to 1022, I think, is where we're headed. So from a structural perspective, we do not want to be bottom fishing yet. Looking a little bit more short term, here we're looking at a daily candlestick chart. You've got key support here right around 1140 on a closing basis. You know, you can either draw an uptrend line from these levels or look at support. Either way, that was clearly broken last week. And if you look at the most recent correction in the second quarter here, we're looking at the 161.8% extension target right around 1088. So we hit that, 1087. We hit that last night and then bounced. What we want to do from here, knowing that we have bigger targets down here towards 1,000, which is where I think we're headed. This isn't something we want to be bottom fishing here. You know, sure, can you buy it here for a trade? I guess it's not something I would do. What I would be doing is fading any strength, particularly towards 1140. I'm not saying we get there, but if we do, I'm a seller.